buddy. I've been going with John. You want the tag place, you gotta get back tomorrow. They're gonna give me a handicap from those.
Hey, I just wanted to elaborate on my Pullman primes and whatever the other tag that I put on there, I don't remember. But I just want to kind of elaborate on something. Hold on, drawing pad. 1 second, let me pull it up. Okay. Go with this color. That doesn't matter, just pick one. Alright, so here we go. Just to clarify what I meant, what I should have said, or what I should have put down here. Once again, I wish I had a clipboard. So I'm using this thing called this freehand drawing painting thing. So here we go, back to the original thing I was saying. I should have said like an f of x function, we're going to use f of p. P stands for prime. So I'm going to put the prime numbers on here again, the first four, because this formula only works for these specific for the first four primes. Alright, so 2, 3, 5, and 7 are the first prime numbers. So this is easy, basically simple math. So we have f of p equals, again, here's the formula, p, come on please, p squared plus 3, oh man, this is hard to do, 3 and p. Man, these touch pads are terrible. So alright, p down, plus, excuse me, plus 1. Alright, so that's the formula. F of p for prime, p squared plus 3p plus 1.
Yeah,
a little bit. Let's see, it's okay. So, so what we do is we substitute. Yeah, I'll get it. You know I will, Paul. I'll see you in a second. F of 2 equals, so f of 2, so this is 2 squared plus 3 times, man, come on, 3, it won't, 3 times 2 plus 1. Alright, we'll just pretend that's a 1. Man, it looks like gibberish. I do not understand why this thing's not working right. So we have 2 squared plus 3 times 2. So we have 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So when I said substitute, as you know, like f of p, you substitute 2, 3, 5, and 7. So the next one would be 3 squared, which is 9, plus 3 times 3, because the next prime number is 3 and not 2, which is also 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 gives you 19. So we have 11 and 19. 11 is a prime number and 19 is a prime number. So we're basically using prime numbers to get other prime numbers. Just why not? So and then the next one would be 5 squared, 25, plus, remember the formula, 3 times p, which is this time 5, so 15. So we have 25 plus 15 is 40, plus 1 gives you 41, that's another prime. So then you do the same thing with 7. You get 49, 7 squared, because you remember, as I'm sure you know, when you square, you're saying 7 times that number, of whatever number that you're squaring, of whatever exponent that you use. So as long as you're at least squaring it. So if it's 7 squared, 7 times 7. If it's 7 cubed, 7 times 7 times 7. So as opposed to 7 times 2, which is really 7 plus 7. So, you know, because all multiplication is basically repetitive addition, but when it comes to squaring, you're always multiplying that number. So it's never like 36 squared is not 36 plus 36. 36 squared is 36 times 36. Alright, so the next one, for the next set of prime numbers, the formula changes a little, would be p squared again, plus 3p, plus 3 this time. And that would give you 157 prime, which is 11. You use the next prime number, which is 11. After 7, you have 11. And then you use 13 for the next one. It would be 13 squared plus 3 times 13 plus 3, which would give you 11 prime. So, you know, the formula changes as you go along, and it's not consistent with there's thousands and thousands of prime numbers, so I haven't used every single one, but the formula continuously changes. But within the formula, even though it changes, what changes is, and I should have said, is the plus another number, but this p squared plus 3p always stays the same. I always use that. I haven't used p cubed, I haven't used 5p or anything like that. So, you know, it's just another way to use prime numbers to get other prime numbers. There's all kinds of things you can do with prime numbers. I mean, there's another thing I used, you know, like sigma or an adder, and I use like factorials and stuff. I haven't really used any integrals or derivatives with the prime numbers, but you could. I'm sure, I know many people have, and usually people use n as a continuous series of prime numbers in a general sense.
Hey John.
So you know, it ain't rocket science. It's really pretty easy. So I just wanted to elaborate what I meant by that. So I can't believe it's 7 minutes and 14 seconds so far. So also I want to talk about shows and movies that I like. First I want to say first show is House. House is a good show. I don't understand why they killed House. I didn't see the last minute or the last 50 some odd seconds, so maybe at the very end or something, some sort of surprise. I'm assuming the last show I saw was the last show. I watched it on Hulu, so it was already pre-recorded. So, you know, I'm assuming the one I saw. So as far as I know, they killed House. I don't understand what's up with that. But it's still, you know, a good show. I like Bones. Bones is a good show. I like The New Girl. I like B in Apartment 23. I like Law and Order. Favorite Law and Order is Criminal Intent with the original Criminal Intent with oh god, I can't think of that dude's name. Defano has some kind of Italian name. What the hell is his name? I don't remember. But anyway, I like Law and Order, Criminal Minds, Numbers. Movies to go see. Batman, Dark Knight Rises. I thought it would be a little over the top. It was brilliant. I would say genius. It was very good. Very good movie. It was a good script, the best one out of the Christopher Nolan thing. The other Batman movies are fine with the Tim Burton ones, but it was cool. It rocked. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Thought it was really good. Hunger Games is a good movie. I saw that not too long ago. There's going to be a Hunger Games 2 coming out soon. Immortals was pretty good. It was good. I like 300 better. I haven't seen 302, but I'm sure it's good. But I do like movies like that. I would say the favorite out of the Greek type movies that I've seen would either be 300 or maybe Troy. I also like Gladiator, even though that's Roman, you know, but you know, the Gladiators. But that was a good movie too. You know, so movies also that I like. I got so many movies. I'm trying to think of something I've seen recently. Man on the Ledge. Man on the Ledge was a good movie. That was an awesome movie. Go see it if you haven't seen it already. Alright. Why is this all fuzzy? Alright. Bye.